it's Maribelle, and I'm coming to you with another shopping haul. This one from Scrapbook.com. And these are all my goodies. So I'm going to start with my paper. So this is a beautiful paper from P13. And it's called When We First Met. And I absolutely fell in love with this paper. It's got, the music notes in the back with the flowers. What I didn't notice until I got it was the airplane. So I'm either going to cover that or do something with that because I don't think I'm going to be using that. But I loved it so much. I got two. And on the back, they have the sky. This was, for each paper, it was $1.02. So very cute. Again, this is from P13, When We First Met. The next two papers that I got are from Pebbles, from the Happy Cake Day collection. This one, the blue one here, is called Hip Hip Hooray, and the other is called Hot Diggity Dog. And these are from Pebbles American Craft. So this is the Hip Hip Hooray. Really cute. It's got some blue, red, pink, yellow, green. Really cute. And this is the back side. Now, on my last shopping haul that I showed you, I bought the Ephemera for this. And so I wanted to make sure and buy the paper as well. And so these have the dog with cupcakes and presents. Really, really cute. And then on the back side, you have the stripes with the cupcakes on top. Each sheet was $1.04. The next thing I'm going to share with you is a 6x6 paper pad from Cartabella, and this is called School Days. And there's I want to say 24 sheets of paper here. And what's good about this sheets is that they're double-sided, so you can use both sides. Now I like these because it looked more like a vintage, but just very cute. Like these here, you can cut out and use as like embellishments on your pages. Just really, really cute papers. Like these two you can cut out and use. I like the paper pattern. And you just got pencils and crayons and stars. Oh, I love the bus and the girl and the flashcard. Just really cute. Oh, I really like the apples with the ABCs. But I also like the solids on the other sides. Really, really cute. And then, oh, those are lunch pails there. And then they start repeating themselves. So really, really cute. Again, this is from Cartabella, School Days. And this paper pad was, let's see here, $5.69. And of course I had to get the ephemera that came with it. So this is Cartabella School Days. And this was $4.74. And this comes with 33 pieces. And look at that. I love that. Matches the paper really well. Oh, I love the apple. Now, I can really use this. My husband and I are both teachers, and I have two kids who are still in school. So these are definitely going to get a lot of use. Very, very cute. Work hard. Just really cute. I love to read. Both my kids like to read, so I love these. You can make like a banner Oh, I like the ruler. Really cute. It's time for school. S is for school. Here's the teacher. Back to school. Another back to school. Believe and achieve. That one said recess. A plus. I love school. Oh, I love the apple. Math nerd. And then school days. Really, really cute. I'm trying to make it a habit that when I buy the paper to buy some embellishments that go with it. So that was that. Leave that one with that. Okay, and then next I purchased this ephemera from Simple Stories, and this is $4.75. It's called Birthday Blast. It comes with 57 pieces. And really cute. Just things that you can put on your birthday cards. Birthday layouts. So it says little boy, big day. So a lot of colored little pieces of paper so you could do some journaling. But this is mainly for boys. Hooray, her birthday. But I'm sure you can use it for girls as well. You are such a wonderful reason to celebrate. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that robot. It's your year. There's some birthday hats. Really, really cute. It's your day. Happy birthday. B-Day boys, celebrate. And it looks like they have a couple of themes in here, like robots, planets, space. You are out of this world. And then just, general, cakes and hats. But celebrating you. You got a frame here. Now, even though this is primarily, I think, for a boy, I think you can use it. I can definitely see myself using this for my daughter as well. Oh, that is so cute. I love the dog with the hat on. Make a wish. Oh, look at that. The monster with the cupcake. Really, really cute. And you got the planets. Really, really cute. So that's birthday. I'm going to be doing a lot of birthday layouts in the next couple of weeks, so I wanted to make sure I had some embellishments that went with it. And that one again was $4.75. This one's also from Simple Stories, birthdays. Now the difference is that this is foil, so you'll see that they have the shine to it. So you have hooray, the cupcakes, and some gears, some stars, and balloons. Just really, really cute embellishments that are ephemera that you can put on your scrapbook pages. So let's party. Oh, I love that. So cute. I like a little monster on a cupcake. Some stars. I don't know. Those are supposed to be. Oh, those are glasses. Moons. Yay, it's your birthday. Some presents. Make a wish. Just really, really cute things that you can put on you. And you get so much. This, you get 64 pieces. That's awesome. So these are planets. I think this one really goes with that one. There's a lot of the same things. I think this one is just the journaling bits, and these are the bits and pieces. And so of course I had to get both because I'm going to be doing oh, that's cute. I'm going to be doing a lot of birthday layouts, and I needed some embellishments to go with that. Oh, I love the robot. Look at the robot. And then there's the rockets. Oh, look at the dog. Oh, that's so cute. And the stars. Just really, really cute stuff. Oh, look at the little monster hat. So you can actually get, that's an ice cream stand. So you can use these on cute on different layouts because there's different themes to it. So there's that one. Then the other that I got, the ephemera, this is from My Mind's Eye mixed bag, and it comes with 40 pieces, and this was $6.64, which seems a little high, but the reason why I got it is because it's a mixture. It's not just birthday, but it's other things that you can celebrate, and it has a gold foil accents to it. And it comes with a little bit of ribbon and a button. You'll see some gold stars there. So it says, you know, that one's a birthday. So there's a birthday. Got an ice cream truck. You got some vellum embellishments there. Hip 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 hooray. The emoji with the hat. What does that say? Time to celebrate. It's a balloon. It's balloon o'clock. And there's some cake. So this could be for other things other than just birthday. And it could be a boy or a girl. Hooray for today. Welcome little one. So it's not just birthdays. You can also do like baby showers. It's just a party. You got streamers. That one says, you take the cake. Oh, this one here is celebrating, you know, that would be a good one for like a New Year's Eve type of thing. But here you got graduation. You know, some type of party. Oh, like here's the baby shower. There's a thing that says grad. So it's not just birthday. It was a mixture of other type of ephemera along with it. Like this one says congratulations. So really, really cute. That was My Mind's Eye. And it's called the Yay Collection. It's the mixed bag foil accents for $6.64. Next, I got some distress blending brushes. Now, these are from Ranger. I was watching Tim Holtz on his Facebook page showing how to use these, and I had to get some so I can try some of the techniques that I saw. Now, these are $11.39. The cool thing about these, because I have other stencil brushes, but the cool thing about these are that it has a cover, and when you're stenciling, if you want to make it more precise, you just put it up the lid, and then that way it's more precise. But you can also, you know, store it away. So you get a set of 2. Not cool? Love them. And those are Tim Holtz, made by Ranger. The next thing I got was a stencil from Tim Holtz. And this one, let's see. This was by Stampers Anonymous, layering stencil, the bubble. This was $5.85. And, you know, I've been loving doing mixed media, and I had to have this stencil. I like the stencils where they don't have a straight border where it looks like it could be put anywhere. So I had to get that. Again, this is from Stampers Anonymous, Tim Holtz layering stencils, the bubble, for $5.85. And then lastly, I got some glue sticks. I got 2 of them from Pioneer. Now these aren't like regular glue sticks. These are very, very strong. So they're not like the ones that you would buy like at Walmart or anything like that. These say that they adhere to wood, fabric, just very, very strong. And I have a friend who uses this, and she swears by it. So I had to get 2 of these, and they were $1.99 each. So I'm gonna try them. I'll let you know how they go. Thank you for watching.